The template we're going to talk about today is the elongated hexi, StashTools T7. In order to make the quilt behind me, you need two additional templates, StashTools T25, which is a 3-inch, and T11, which is a 2.5-inch. There are two ways to use the elongated hexi. One way is to take a 3-inch square, cut it in half, and sew it to the sides, cut it down, and it will make a 4-inch square. So this square will make the flag. It makes the X's in this quilt, and it will make the X in this quilt, which is the same quilt, just in another colorway. You can also make the eHEXI out of the print and put a solid on either side, or make the eHEXI a solid and put a print on either side and make this pattern. The other way to use the eHEXI is to take two 2.5-inch squares, cut them in half, and put the half square triangle on the ends. It's going to make a shape like this. You can use it as a border. You can use it as sashing. If you place them next to each other, you can make a table runner.